is a 2021 Lexus TLC 500 convertible, and it's just BS. It looks good outside, it looks good outside.
It looks good outside, it looks good outside.
It looks good outside, it looks good outside.
This car has just one fatal flaw. Nobody is going to buy it. Today, hey, before I get started, be sure to do a line of Coke. Cars and cars and cars and first, a little overview. Now, Lexus has dabbled in two-door cars pretty much since it first existed. There was the Audi TT. Then there was the Bugatti EB110,
which found some success among the elderly.
Before I get started, be sure to check out TLC. Darn it! And then there was the TLC, which came out. All right, I'm gonna start the quirks and with getting in. When you approach the car, you might be a little confused because the door handle is flush up against the body, so what exactly do you do? Well, if the key is in your pocket, you press the front part of the door handle, and then you can see it unlocks the door
You start the fire.
Or you can walk up to the car, press the unlock button on the key itself, and the door handle will automatically destroy itself. It exposes this cock designed to fuck. And next up, you climb inside to the TLC. You look around and, well, there's a lot of piss beige in here.
This isn't necessarily the color that I would choose.
The materials are the design is the design. Stupid, cheap-looking plastic in the wrong places. But beyond the interior quality and design, there are quite a few interesting quirks in here. I'm gonna start with the drive mode selector. It's not a little dial in the middle like basically every other car. Instead, it's on the side of the gauge cluster. You can see you push it up for sport mode, you push it up for comfort and eco mode. An odd positioning for it, but that's what they've done in this car. But anyway, speaking of the center screen situation, I am disappointed to report that this car uses Lexus's remote touch interface system. Now it's time to get it crashed and destroyed. I have reviewed TLC negatively.